So I just wanted to do another little quick review on the test light that I bought from Amazon, which is right here. And what I'm going to be doing is just using it to test for my power, ignition, start, and accessory wires and my ignition switch for a remote starter. Now I already found my power wire, which was this blue one. So I'm not going to re-show that one to you guys. But what I am going to do is show you guys the accessory, the start, and the ignition wire, and how quick it actually is. So this white wire, you guys can see, put it on. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna just pull down onto it. I'm gonna take my key, wherever I put that. Here it is. Here we go. So I'm gonna take my key, I'm gonna turn my key on and start it. There's my accessory wire. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to this red wire right here. Gonna pull down, then I retest. You got nothing. I should have only power and start. Perfect. So that one's done. And last but not least, my ignition, which is gonna be this guy right here. Take, pull down, and give you guys a clue onto that. And ignition will have power at all times, even during cranking. There you go. And that's basically the Amazon test light that I bought that I reviewed, and I just wanted to give you guys a real world experience with the light. So there you go, and I hope you guys enjoy it.